On this episode of Unboxing Time, we're not just looking at one Super Fumina kit, we're looking at two! The Super Fumina is Minato Saikai's mobile suit featured on the anime series Gundam Build Fighters Try. When you're looking at this mobile suit, without any doubt, it is really familiar to frame arm girls. That was because the mechanical designer of this suit was Fumika Shimada, who also worked on the Frame Arm Girls series. This kit was priced at 1,800 yen, which is pretty affordable. I personally had purchased this kit on my first trip to Japan. On my second trip to Japan, I went back to the Gundam base. And that was when the Super Fumina Gundam Base edition released, so I bought one too. From a quick glance, this is pretty much a recolor version of the regular Super Fumina, with a little bit of added accessories and decals. Even though it is a Gundam Base Limited edition, it is also priced at 1,800 yen. And now, let's get into both of the kits and see what they look like and what are the differences. Let's start with the regular Super Fumina kit. The first thing, of course, is the assembly manual. There's a color runner for the hair parts, and a white runner for some of the more intimate parts. Then you have a flesh color for the face, and also some of the effects parts, which is green in the regular kit. A really dedicated runner of just the front side of the maid apron. Then you have a gray runner for most of the weapon accessories. Then a foil stickers with some of the pink details. Then a yellow runner for the regular versions of the Super Fumina dress and the shields. And then you have two white runners for parts of the hands, legs, and the rest of the dress. A really cool thing about this kit is actually come with a clear action stand, so you don't have to go out there and buy your own. And here's a side-by-side comparison of the two assembly manuals. The original versions feature a little bit more of the backstories of Fumina, while the Gundam Base version talks a little bit more about the Gundam Base itself. The back of the assembly manuals are a little bit different as well. The original versions having featured the color guides, and the Gundam Base versions of the assembly manual talks about the extra decals that you can get. And they also take out half of that page to promote more of the Gundam Base special kits that you can buy while you're there. Now, first thing inside the manual is always the warnings and special instruction on how to put the kits together. And for the longest time, this is only available in Japanese. And in recent years, you can actually see more English being used in the Gundam assembly manuals. That truly helps them to bring the hobby to an international stage. Both of these kits have a really easy step-to-step diagrams of how to put the kits together, more so than your typical master grade kit, perfect grade, or real grade. This really kind of broken down into a really simplistic way for anybody to understand. One major difference is between the two manuals, instead of the regular maid bonnet, the Gundam Base version of course features the blue baseball cap. And here you can see the regular white parts as well as the blue recolor versions of pretty much the same thing, except on the top you'll see the additional bowl details, but also take notes of the head accessories, which is unique to this Gundam kit. Here are the two effects parts runners. The regular kit is the clear green part, and the Gundam Base version is the clear blue. And now both of the apron parts are identical. The packing order of this bag is a little different. One have the foil stickers in it, and the other have the Gundam Base stickers. But of course the foil stickers for the Gundam Base version is just going to be another bag. Now looking at the runner, we can clearly see the shield and the dress part of the regular kit has been changed to blue for the Gundam Base version. And flipping to the back, the gray parts are exactly the same. In the back you see with both runners in white are from the regular Super Fumina kit. And of course the action base is exactly the same. And that's pretty much just both the kits. Like I said, I've never seen the Gundam Build Fighters Try anime series, so I don't know too much about the character in the mobile suit, but I have always been fairly interested to build some of the Kotobukiya Frame Arm Girls kit, and this is a version of how Bandai is tackling the same market. If you're a fan of this kind of mecha and waifus mashup design, Bandai also have the Bandai Armor Girls project, which essentially they're a mobile suit and girls mashup. This is a new video series that I'm trying during the COVID-19 pandemic. If you do like the video, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any suggestions on how I can make this video better, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, happy building!